Hi guys. So I guess this is the life we're in right now. I cannot do anything without carrying my baby. Okay, so I've been up since to 4:44 if I'm not mistaken. Chinecherem refused to sleep. He woke up by that time. I breastfed him and he refused to sleep until after 6. When I put him down, he will wake up. He will feel it will be as if he wants to sleep. But once I lay him down, he wake up. Once I lay him down, wake up. I will have to keep doing and doing and doing. And he finally slept by after 6. I was supposed to sleep by that time, but instead I said, let me pump because my breast was full. So I pumped. After pumping, I just said, oh, let me just make stew. Let me just cook because I already had it in mind that I was going to cook today. And I've started prepping things. When he slept, I started prepping things. And now I want to start cooking. And he's about waking up. He just got up now and I'm just going to try and put him to sleep. Then take him to my mom before I come and start cooking. Honestly, it has not been easy. If I don't get to sleep this afternoon, I'm going to have headache because I'm already feeling it. I didn't sleep well yesterday. And I didn't sleep well the day before yesterday. So I'll try as much as possible to sleep this afternoon. If not, problem go day. But anyways, let me just take him to my mom. Maybe breastfeed him, take him to my mom, and I'll come and start cooking. Because I still have to go out today. Tomorrow is his 1 month birthday. And I want to do some kind of thing. We want to shoot some videos. So I'll still go to the mall to get things that I'll use to shoot the video. Stay well now. Stay well, please. Why are you rolling? You just want me to carry you? Eh? You just want me to carry you? I want to cook, oh. You have to sleep. Nature. I just pray he doesn't wake up. They've taken the light. I don't even understand NEPA people. These days, they just bring light, take it. The light will not even last. I don't know if it's just in my area. Let me know if you guys are experiencing it too. Stew is ready and Chinecherem is still sleeping. Thank God. So I want to quickly mop the kitchen because honestly, this kitchen is going through a lot. I never knew that there will be a time where I will see somewhere that is dirty or maybe looking tattered and I will just leave it and I'll just do as if I did not see it. That is the stage I'm in right now. Like the house is a little bit disorganized. Like you have things here and here, you have some dirt, and all I want to do is just lie down. I don't even want to touch it. You understand? So that is the point I'm in right now, and I never knew I would ever get to that point. But never say never. Honestly, this newborn stage is something else. But still is ready. Chinecherem is still sleeping. So he tried though. He tried and he's still sleeping. So let me just quickly tidy up and go and, set things up so that when he wakes up, we'll just beat him. Then we can do whatever it is we want to do. Hopefully he's going to sleep after we finish beating him. So I bought Adrum Bise for my tummy. They say Adrum Bise helps your tummy to go down and the rest of it. I boiled it. Like I spent my money. I bought it 12,000. I boiled it. I only drank it once and I stopped. I don't know, for some kind of reason, my mind did not carry it. I don't know why, but I want to throw it away today. It has been here for like going to a week now. I don't drink it. I'll just warm it, keep it, say I'll drink and I'll not drink it. So better I just throw it away. Now, I'm done with cooking stew. I want to quickly boil rice, then tidy up the kitchen. Chinejirem woke up immediately. I was telling you people that he has been sleeping for long. Just imagine. So I breastfed him, and my mom is trying to, just calm him down while I round up everything I have to do in this kitchen. I don't want to go and bait, as I enjoy my mommy to bait him, then come back here and come and start doing anything. I don't have that kind of strength. So let me just round up fast, fast. Why are you crying? You are Unabo. Hiccups. Why are you crying, Nature? Unabo. Unabo Ife. I carried you now, you are crying. Eh? What is it? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? You want to suck? You bathe first, oh. Either one first. Let's bathe first, yeah? One first before you go back. Hmm. Good. How are you? Good. How are you? Yeah. Ah, God. Hi, guys. So, today is Chinecherem's 1 month birthday. He has been cranky and I don't know, since yesterday night. Like, none of us slept. Only my mom slept. And why? Because, why? She complained of having headache because of sleepless nights. So I just allowed her to sleep and I told her that I and the dad will take care of him over the night. But from night till this moment, this is to 3. This is 6 minutes to 3. And we've been trying to put Chinecherem to sleep since after 12. Or let me just say around that 12:01. Since that time he has been feeling sleepy, but he's not sleeping. He just finally, it's even shaking now. You see, it's even shaking now, like he wants to wake up. He just finally laid down. Now my shoulder, my back, my waist, everywhere is paining me, honestly. We plan to do a photo shoot for him, like just a photo shoot at home here, just and also a video of like each month. I don't know how we're going to do it because this one that he managed to sleep now, if I try to wake him up, it's another walk. But I just have to do it though because it's for memory's sake and I'm also documenting it. When he sees it, he's going to be happy and he's going to thank me when he grows up and sees the video.